There are more than 73,000 estimated average annual automotive technician job openings in the U.S. At Universal Technical Institute, we're committed to helping train the next generation of automotive technicians through the 51-week Automotive Technology program at our Miramar, Florida campus. This program is designed for students of all experience levels and aims to teach them how to diagnose, maintain, and repair all types of domestic and imported vehicles. This core education and hands-on training can help prepare them for the industry. Topics covered in the automotive program include everything from engine service and repair to electronic systems and technology, and even hybrid vehicle system maintenance. UTI's campus location in Miramar, Florida is a great home base for those in our automotive program. There are a variety of activities for students to enjoy when they're not busy training, including nearby Miami and beautiful beaches. There's a demand for automotive technicians, so now is an ideal time to start training for a future in the field. In less than a year, you can graduate from the program with the skills needed to begin a career in the industry. To learn more about how to train to become an automotive technician at UTI Miramar, click the links in our description or visit us at uti.edu/Miramar.